Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, what is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another POV drive. Let's get this POV going. Alright, man, we are good to go. Let's go, let's go. We are currently in the R8 right now. My boy's right here in the big body V, in the big body CTS V. Hold on, let me get my camera straight really quick. Okay, there we go. We should have the angle good to go. All right, bet. Windows down. And then of course, if you guys want to change the drive mode in an R8, you click this right here, drive select, and then boom, individual, and then boom, select it. This is one of the world's loudest Audi R8s. It would look like a Hellcat. This thing is absolutely insane. Look left, look right. We gotta keep it a little. Oh no, that's crazy. Take it sideways. Come on. Hello. Wait, how far is it? Like a mile. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, Cali the Kid. I'll put it on screen right here. My TikTok, Cali the Kid. And make sure you guys go shop my brand, graillocker.com. If you guys don't know what I do for a living, I have a clothing brand which is called Grail Locker. I've been running it for the past like 4 years now, so everybody wondering what do I do, that's what I do right there. So shabuya, shabuya, roll call. All right, anyway, so let's go. Green means go, green means go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, bro! This thing rips! Oh my gosh! I told you guys, this car is absolutely insane, bro. Hold on, we need to get out of traffic, bro, because I can't really like show you guys how this car is if we're like sitting in like standstill traffic right now. Hold on, we gotta send a chat to all my haters. Bro, this car is ripping, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on, baby. Ready, ready? Oh my gosh. Bro, we had to record this on our phone, bro. This is too crazy. Woo! Welcome to the real world. Oh my gosh. Car handles bumps like a champ, bro. The suspension on this car is really, really good. All right, right here. If you guys a little. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Gosh! This makes my car seem... Is he launch controlling it? He's launch controlling it. What the fuck? Bro's launch controlling the Escalade. Is that a V or no? I don't think so. It sounds really good though. He started it and it sounds insanely good. It sounds... I can hear that V8 purring. Purr, purr. Bro, this burbles on this car like insane. You guys let me know. What do you think about this car? Should we get an R8? Should we add an R8 to the channel? Should we get a G80? Should we get a Lamborghini Huracan? What should we add to the channel next, guys? Because I know the Hellcat is getting a little bit boring, so I know it's time to add something different to the fleet, essentially. So you guys just let me know, what do you think? Look at that watch, though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the watch, though. Oh my gosh. The watch is blinking. Gosh, bro, this thing is like way better. I'm not gonna lie, this... Oh, he gone. Alright, I think he'll do it right here. He'll launch control it right here. Let's see if he launch controls it. I feel like he's about to do it. Nah, I really do like how the R8s feel though. Just like overall driving experience, comfort wise. This is like way better. They're like a Huracan, you could say. Huracans are just like so uncomfortable. After driving for a while, cooked. Why are the heated seats on? It's hot. I was like, why? I was like, why am I getting so hot, bro? It's like, I'm dying right now. Because bro has the freaking heated seats on. Anyways, though. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Come on, back that big body up. Back that Tonka. Oh, he's making a U-turn? Brother. Oh my gosh. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, he's parking right there. I bet. Let me swerve right in front of that. Beep, beep, beep. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV, bro. Oh my goodness. This thing is absolutely insane, bro. Holy crap. It is hot here though, I'm not gonna lie. Woo! Oh my goodness. That was absolute madness. I'll catch you guys later. Hold on, first we're gonna give you guys a little walk around. Ugh. This thing absolutely freaking rips, bro. Bro was pilling this too, bro. He was whipping this motherfucker. Oh my gosh. Sheesh.